Are you over 50 and wondering what's next? You've raised kids, worked hard, but now it's time for your life. What if I told you there are real programs backed by the US government that support your second act? You don't need to start over. You just need a smart way to start again. Here are 6 career programs and certifications in the US that are affordable, practical, and designed just for people like you. SCSIP, Senior Community Service Employment Program, a government-funded program for adults age 55 and older who are unemployed or low income. You work part-time, usually about 20 hours per week, in public or non-profit organizations like libraries, hospitals, or community centers. You get paid minimum wage while gaining hands-on job experience. Many participants transition to permanent employment after training. Apply through your local employment office or an SCSEP partner agency near you. Workforce Training Grants, State-Funded Job Training Supportee, GWIOA, Going Pro. Most U.S. states offer grants to help adults gain new skills. For high-demand industries, fields include healthcare, logistics, welding, culinary arts, bookkeeping, and more. Programs often cover full tuition at community colleges or training centers. Example: Michigan's Going Pro Talent Fund works with employers to sponsor certification training. Apply through your state's Workforce Development Center or local job training office. RP Back to Work 50, free career coaching for adults over 50, designed to help older adults return to the workforce with confidence and practical support. The program offers resume writing help, job interview preparation, career planning, and mentoring, especially beneficial for women who are re-entering the job market after a career break. You can find events and workshops at ARP, OrgWork 50+, community college certificate programs, short-term, career-focused training for adults. Local community colleges offer 812-week certification programs in skilled trades and essential careers. Examples include welding, healthcare assistant, electrician, IT, and cooking. Tuition is often low cost, and many courses are eligible for grants, like WIOA or Pell Grants. Ask about workforce development or adult learner programs at your nearby community college. Career One Stop, official U.S. Department of Labor resource, a free online platform to search job training programs based on your location, age, and goals. You can find both free and paid training options online or in person, with detailed filters by topic and provider. It also offers resume builders, career assessments, and job listings. OSHA, Lifelong Learning Institute's OLI, university-hosted learning for people over 50. Universities across the U.S. offer non-credit courses exclusively for adults age 50 and older. Subjects include health, writing, computers, communications, finance, and small business. No grades, no exams, just quality learning and meaningful social connection. Some programs also include career transition support or part-time income ideas. To find one, search only your city or state. You've already lived a full life, raising kids, working hard, taking care of others before yourself. But now, it's time to build the life you want next. And the best part? You don't have to do it alone. Across the United States, there are programs designed specifically for people over 50 Whether you want to earn money again, learn something new, switch careers, or simply stay active and connected, there is a path forward. And many of these paths are free, low cost, and government supported. Let's review what's available. CSEP pays you to work part-time at non-profits, building skills and income at the same time. Workforce training grants from each state help you get certified in fields like healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing. Often for free, RP's Back to Work 50 offers expert guidance, workshops, and emotional support to help you re-enter the job market. Community colleges provide short-term certificate programs that lead directly to employment, and many offer financial aid. Career One Stop helps you find customized training near you, all in one place for free. OLLI programs give you lifelong learning opportunities, social connections, and even pathways to small business or consulting. Whether you're starting something brand new or picking up where you left off years ago, this is your time. Not your child's time, not your employer's time. Your time. You have experience. You have wisdom. You have value. And now, you have options. So take a look, click a link, call your local college, sign up for that free coaching, because everything you've done so far was just the first half of your story. And now, it's time to write the second half, on your terms. You've already done the hard part. Now let the next part be joyful. Let it be yours. And remember, the government is ready to support that. All you need to do is take the first step.